Hi guys, welcome to Chongqing Cribs. My name's Amelia, I live in Chongqing obviously. So today we're going to go up... Tonight. Tonight. This is my key. My last apartment had a keypad, which was so much easier, but the new apartment has a key and a little key fob that gets you into the building. So it's literally a case of, there we go, hear the beep, and so we're gonna go up now. My apartment's quite high. It's near the top of the building. It's got a pretty good view of the city, which I'm really thrilled about.
Let's just sit in the darkness a little bit.
Silence! When my agent was showing me different apartments in this building, some just really run down. This is like anywhere. Like you're gonna get really nice places, you're gonna get really bad places. I just lucked out on this. Just simple key. Welcome to my house. This is my living space. I got this sofa on Taobao, which is like Chinese Amazon or eBay. It took like 15 days to deliver. Pretty big, quite cheap. The curtains I obviously chose myself because they're so beautiful. I just love gold and pink. Yeah. This is the kitchen. They bought me like a new fridge for moving in because the other one was like really small. So I have this big like 3-compartment fridge and it's actually really healthy at the moment. Normally it's just filled with wine and Guinness, but you know, cue the Irish music.
That's because you're Irish.
Exactly, cue the Irish music, yeah. I have a friend staying with me today who is the beautiful camera woman. And
hello.
This is Poppy. She and I were able to wash all of our clothes today and they were dry within what, like 10 hours?
3 hours.
3 hours, okay.
Literally.
Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty good. Ask your landlord, like if you are getting an apartment here, ask them if they're willing to replace anything or if they're willing to give you anything. As I said, I didn't have this fridge when I came to see the apartment and this is brand new, so it depends what your landlord's like. Just always ask. No harm. People are really worried that when they move to China, everything's going to be like so different than how we live in the West. Seeing apartment tours like this is really important because you're not going to be moving where you can't have a sink or you can't have running water. It's not much different than we live in the West. Like tiny differences, but some of them are very important. Yeah, this is the infamous sofa that I've waited for like 15 days and I'm so thrilled about. This is the most grown-up purchase I've ever made. It's super comfy and it's super big. If Poppy ever comes to visit again, this is probably
this will be my bed.
This is way more comfortable than my spare bed right now.
Can we see the spare bed?
Yes, okay, let's go. This is the hallway. Somebody must have lived here who had kids. This is a very Chinese thing to have, like stickers on your wall. It's quite feminine, so it suits me fine.
Yeah, where's your height on this thing? Are you like, you're a child size?
I like to call it fun sized, okay?
Okay.
Or Irish sized. This is the spare bedroom, Poppy's room. The girl who must have lived here put up some of these baubles and stuff. It's probably the most colourful room in the house. It's pink. In China, don't be surprised if you walk into an apartment and it's like bright red or black or gold or silver or something, or covered in crazy patterns. This apartment's pretty neutral. Outside of the window is the balcony. Here, tons of storage. That was one of the reasons I moved apartments to a 2-bedroom. I'm not paying a lot more for this place than I did for my old place, and this is an anomaly. Like, I don't want you thinking that every apartment in China is like this. Keep house hunting and keep asking questions and you'll find something that's awesome. I'm not going to say this is the main bathroom because my bathroom is a bit more Western. There was a pretty good sale on black and white tiles. Every bathroom and kitchen is covered in these tiles. I'm not complaining.
You're missing the most important part about this bathroom.
Is it the Chinese toilet?
Yes. Show us the Chinese toilet.
Okay, this is the Chinese toilet. Poppy loves these toilets. So if you ever go and visit, like if you don't have a Chinese toilet, she won't stay with you. So this is Poppy. I love how you're displaying it like it's like the best part of the apartment.
No. Do you ever use this toilet?
I don't think I've been in this room before you came.
Alright, and then the shower behind you.
Yeah, this is a weird setup. Like there's no base for the shower, so I don't really 100% know where the water is supposed to go. I think it must just go down into the toilet. I'm not complaining, it's a Western shower. This is my spare bathroom, I'm gonna call it, for my family who come and visit. My mom's coming next month, so this is my bedroom, which I'm in love with. I don't think I'm ever moving ever again. This is like my favorite room of the apartment, and it has the best view and the best light and everything. I'm just in love. It's got air conditioning, it's got really nice mood lighting. I can turn these spotlights off if I want to, and this huge storage area. I'm just gonna have to buy so many clothes to fit into this, and I can't wait, to be honest. Show them my clothes. Not all, everything's been washed, okay? I just moved. There's heat lamps for the winter, so when it's really, really cold, you can put these heat lamps on, both of them. It's like super bright. And Poppy can probably feel it more being so close, but it's
This
really
is
warm.
very hot. This feels like a full-on heater.
If you're having a shower over the winter, it's so nice like not to be freezing cold when you leave, and you're like, oh, so this is really cool. Oh, I can show you the balcony. That's kind of the best part. This is pretty common in a Chinese apartment. You're going to have rails on the balcony where you can do your washing and things. If you don't, just buy one of the standing ones. I just hang everything here. As we said, it dried so fast because Chongqing is a wee bit warmer. And my landlord put all of this decorative green stuff, which I kind of like. Eventually out here I want to have patio furniture and nice fairy lights, and I want to make it a space where people can come and have drinks and like sit on my balcony and enjoy the view, because it's one of the coolest views. I'm like so like overwhelmed. The lights are currently turned off because it's after 10:30 at night, so it's not as bright as it would be, but it's still pretty cool. The river is just behind me here. Some of the big bridges of the city. If this was New York or Shanghai or something, a place like this would cost a ton of money, but I got a really good deal on this place. It's below what I get paid for my housing allowance for living in Chongqing. Right there is a massive window where you can see my bedroom. Just don't look at the clothes. There's clothes on the floor. I tried to hide them for this video, okay? I'm not that organized. Just ignore it, okay? Yeah, this is my apartment, and I hope it's been semi-useful for you guys. I know it's kind of stressful moving to China, and it's stressful getting a new apartment whether you live in the States or the UK. Getting a new apartment when you live in China must be like such a scary thought. I know it was for me. I hope that this kind of puts your mind at ease, that you're not going to move to China and just be living in just some crazy apartment. There are really decent apartments. As you can see, it's just like you would find at home. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.